Do you intend to create your own worksheet to suit your learners' immediate need? You can actually do that on Canva. Come on, let's go check it out. First of all, you go to your Google browser. So I will be using Chrome as usual. You come on Canva. It will bring you an interface where you're expected to sign in. It's actually sign up is for free, and when you're on the platform, you're on a free version, unless you want to make payments and upgrade to your next version. Remember, the whole idea is teaching with free versions, and be able to still get effectiveness. Okay, so when you come on Canva after you signed in, you just on this is actually the phase you're going to get. This is actually the interface you're going to be faced with. So we're going to go on to type worksheets. That's what we have in mind. It's really simple to use this. So we have worksheet. We enter. So having this worksheet now, what we're going to do now is to pick one of what we intend using. You can see we already have options here. So within these options we have here, if there's anyone that suits your need, you can actually just click on it. Now I must mention that you take note of this crown. You see this crown here, it shows that these are for paid version. But you see the ones without crown, they are for free version. I mean, why not pick any version you want, and then you can actually upgrade them. So I'm going to just click on one of it to show you how we can actually upgrade on them. When you click, it brings you to this interface where you're expected to customize if you want to. I think I will advise you just customize. If you feel it's something you can work with, just go on and download it straight up. So I click on customize. It's loading up just few seconds and then it pops up. So while you're waiting for that, if you have other worksheets you intend to bring into Canva and work on, you can do that. This is actually 4 pages. It's still loading up because there are some prompts it's meant to give you. Okay. So here we have the first page. So if this is what you want, you can actually work with it. But if it's not what you want, you realize that when you tap on most of these, it's editable. So you can actually move it away if you feel it's too heavy for your learners, or if it's something you want to change, you can do that entirely. Also, so let me just show you how you can actually just modify this one if you want to. Just usually I use elements. When you come to this element, you get to pick whatever it is you want to make use of. When you come to element, it has beautiful features. Now at this point, let me go back so that we can just use a plain sheet, and then from there we can build from there. Let me close this and take a blank space so that we can actually just create something from scratch. So for instance, I'm an early year tutor and I want to give them a color in a particular animal I want them to color, or series of animals I want them to color. When you pick a blank page, it will take a little while to load. Once you've done that, you pick a your main focus will actually be on the element. So when you go to element, it's going to pop up now. I'll show you that's one of the basic tools you work with. So if it's actually giraffe you want to, for instance, you want them to color, just giving you an instance, it has a variety of options. So if it's giraffe, for instance, once you come here, you click on your element. When you do that, you come here, you type a giraffe. So let's do a giraffe. A giraffe. Okay. So let's see what it's going to give to us. Now you see this here. When it gives you this, it's not giving you what's it called, what is exactly what you want. Just click on all and see if there's something you can find. Okay, we can see this, but it has a crown. Remember, it's actually the one without the crown we're looking out for. You'll definitely find them. You just keep going, you'll definitely find them. You can see I found something here. I click on it, it comes here. And now all I need to do at this point is just to drag it to different edge, drag it as much as I want. When I'm done dragging and I want to write the name of this giraffe, I just come here as well. These are where you pick up from. So I pick up text, and then you pick up the kind of writing you want to write. I pick up this heading. It appears here automatically. Looking at this button, you drag down. When you drag down, it's already highlighted. So I'll just write a giraffe. So I write giraffe. So if I want the children to also call on the writing, it can also be done. But that would be an entire different tutorial in itself, how to make it become of this kind. So once you're done with this, you are pretty much good to go. And then you can see if you want to put up a border, you still come to element. And when you come to element, you find borders as well. So any of the border you intend to use, you can actually go on to use it. So that's it for now. If you have any question, feel free to always ask your question in the comment section. If